guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. And if you've been here since around March of 2018, I really want to give you an extra thank you for following me on my journey and staying tuned to my channel and commenting on my videos and giving me your support, because I truly appreciate it. And so it's been a while since I've done an update video on my digital marketing journey. So I thought, today's Friday, let's hang out a little bit, let's have a little heart-to-heart, and I will share with you some of the things that have transpired in my business in the last year and a half. I can't believe that much time has passed by already. But anyway, I want to go ahead and share some of my entrepreneurial journey, some of the things that I've learned, some of the things that I'm still kind of like stuck on, because yes, we all get stuck. It doesn't matter where you are. Each level of growth requires another level of growth on our part. So anyway, if you want to hear sort of like an update of my journey, and yeah, you're interested in hearing more about that, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright guys and gals, again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. Alright guys and gals, so if you don't know kind of my story, I've been at this digital marketing stuff since even before 2008. I would even say it was like 2004 when I was trying to make it as a seller on eBay, and then I realized it just wasn't my thing. I wasn't, you know, if I wasn't listing, I wasn't getting paid. It just wasn't for me. It was a lot of busy work, things that I didn't like, and so I moved on to other things. I moved on to opening my first web design company after I learned the power of branding, and I started you know, designing eBay stores for people, and that was good. But you know, my original goal was to build a business that also allowed me to have a life. And that might look different for you, but what it looked like for me was, how could I make money even when I wasn't on my computer, so that I could be a present stay-at-home mom and wife, right? And so if I was on my computer all the time, then it was going to be almost impossible for me to really enjoy the things that I was doing, right? Because I'm always trying to hustle. I'm always hustling and grinding for the next money that I'm going to make online. So I knew that I had to create a business, and I was continually creating myself a job, which, by the way, is still a great step up, because at least I was home. I'll give it that, okay? But my overall vision, my long-term vision was, how can I still make money even when I'm not on my computer? How can I physically remove myself from the equation and just let sales roll in even if I'm not around, right? And I didn't really know how to do that. And so time went on, and I learned about internet marketing, and I started with my internet marketing journey. I started with a $2,000 high ticket program, which I had no idea how I was going to sell. All I knew was that if I sold enough of these things, that I was going to make it big. And so a lot of us go through that. So if you're in that part of the journey right now, there's nothing wrong with you. We all go through that. We think that, oh my God, if I just join this business opportunity, it's going to solve all my problems. But then I realized, if I don't have customers that are going to buy that product that I had, then I wasn't going to get very far. And that's when I really understood that I have to learn marketing. I have got to really become a professional marketer. You know, some people go to actual school. As a matter of fact, I was looking at some websites the other day, how much it costs tuition to go to marketing school. And a lot of us, I'm sure you'll ask a lot of digital marketers, we've gone through the school of hard knocks, where we've just learned through trial and error and purchasing courses and going to trainings and things like that. And that's basically how I did it. So basically, I'm self-taught, and when I knew I needed something to learn, I would just go out there, buy it, and learn it. So fast forward, and I realized that the real thing, the key that was missing as far as making my business work so that I could earn money even when I wasn't at my computer, was that I needed leverage. I didn't have like leverage, okay? And leverage is basically having systems in your business. And the systems that I needed in my business were the type of systems that I could have on the internet so that I could create the work once, but those systems would continue to work for me over and over and over again. And that's when I discovered the power, the true power of video marketing combined with sales funnels, right? And then went through hurricane, all that stuff. I was working with clients and I wasn't happy, and because I was trying to make it work, but I just nothing was clicking. I needed to align myself with a program that would help me achieve these goals. And then I discovered an amazing digital marketing program that paid 100% commission on the first sale plus monthly residual income. It was within my gifts and talents of web design and branding and marketing, and it was just everything, and funnels. And so I aligned with this company, which is amazing. And so I just went in there and I started to work. And I finally broke through and became one of the top affiliates inside of the company. I'm currently number 5 of all time. So that's real crazy. But here's what I want you to learn from this whole experience. It didn't happen overnight. It was like almost like 9 years, I would say. And some people probably break through sooner. And it's not that I didn't make money, but I didn't have a business that was growing consistently. And that was my problem. You can have, a few one-hit wonders, right? But a real successful business has longevity, right? And so I didn't have longevity. It was like I would join something, build it for a while, the money stopped coming in, and then I'd move on to something else. And that wasn't working. So it wasn't until I really discovered this program that basically is the backbone of my business, because I build all my funnels with them. I use all their tools to do promotions, all that good stuff. And it wasn't until I found that program that I really got serious about getting consistent, creating content consistently, and really thinking more like a business owner. It's funny because I don't know if you watch him. I think half of the world watches him at this point. He's got 100 million subscribers. But PewDiePie, he's in the gaming industry. And if you haven't watched his update video, I highly recommend that you go check it out, because he talks about how when he first got started 9 years ago and he started posting his original videos, and when you see where he was to where he is right now, the progression of his growth is just incredible. So what have I learned from this whole experience is that the journey is never over, right? The journey is never over. If you really want to make your online business work, I would tell you to start with a bigger vision. And the thing is, you may not see exactly what your business is going to be. But if you have a well-defined purpose of what you want your life to look like, things will start falling into place, right? Like, so for me, it was, I wanted to build a business, but that also allowed me to have a life. What does that mean to me? Making money even when I'm not on my computer. And how could I do that? I had to do it with video marketing and with funnels and put those things together, and that would create leverage. And and then I could scale my business and so on and so forth, so that I only had to work a few hours a day, but it would still create big results on the back end, right? So you have to first figure out, what is your core values? What are your core values? What is it that you're here for? What is it that you want to accomplish? I want to share a quick example with you. In the very beginning of my business, I connected with a girl who was more into like the retail space, but she was trying to make digital marketing work. And sometimes you have to go with whatever you are already good at. So let's say, for example, maybe you're already good at selling at eBay, or maybe you're already good at real estate, or you're already good at something, and you can marry that strength and that expertise that you have with digital marketing to create that business that you're looking to create. That's what I did. I had web design background, marketing background, branding background. So if I joined a health and fitness MLM, that really wasn't going to go too far, because it wasn't in my core competency. You understand? So I highly recommend that you figure out what your core competency is. What is your passion? What do you love? It could be real estate investing or digital marketing, or you love sales funnels, or you love blogs, whatever. But then combine that with the leverage of digital marketing, video marketing, funnels to build a business that also allows you to have a life. I hope that makes sense. So that is one of the tips that I want to give you. The second tip that I want to give you is the journey is what actually shows you what you're made of. You're going to go through ups and downs, through, plateaus and high months and low months, and some things that were working for a really long time may all of a sudden stop working. So you have to course correct. So you have to be okay with rolling with the punches. And that's just part of entrepreneurship. No one is going to be telling you what to do. No one's giving you your assignment for the day. You have to kind of break out of the habit of just expecting someone else to tell you what to do, and tap into that creative part of you that is going to keep driving you forward and compel you to figure things out no matter what. That is really key. You have got to kind of transition from that consumer mindset to tapping into that creativity that you have inside you. So I'll leave it at that because it's a really long subject. But you got to start transitioning to being more creative. And that means maybe asking yourself better questions, maybe asking yourself how you can solve certain problems, things like that. And then finally, on a personal level, aligning with the company that I've aligned with has changed my life in so many ways I can't even tell you. So since I can't really tell you, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to kind of show you what this company has allowed me the freedom to do in my life.
One year is a good time frame for you to start saying that you know how to work with digital marketing. Go ahead, Barbie.
Yeah, I wanted to talk about the college thing, and with my kids we do like homeschool and stuff like that. And by the way, can I just say really quickly, thanks to BUILDERALL, I was able to put my son through EMT school. And my 19-year-old just graduated from EMT school in 3 months, and he got his EMT national license at only 19 years old. So I'm super proud, but I couldn't have done it without BUILDERALL being that vehicle that helped me get there. So thank you, Eric.
Awesome. It's all about you. I'm just doing my job.
I love BUILDERALL, and yes, I've worked hard, but you've given us the vehicle, and I'm so grateful. But there's more, because I have 3 boys. So my middle son, I have to update you. And about a year or so ago, I talked to you guys about how he was kind of like bullied when he was in public school and stuff like that, and I took him out. Well, my son, he's 16 now. He was about 14 when I started BUILDERALL, and so now his obsession is with creating music. He's very talented. He's a very creative person. And so he creates music. He has, we bought him like special softwares and plugins and all that stuff to make music. And he's a hustler, man. He'll go on YouTube, he makes connections, he networks, and he's already sold some of his music at 16, which I'm super excited about. So the other day we were going somewhere, and he's in the car, and he's like, Mom, because I've got my YouTube a lot of subscribers on YouTube and stuff, and he knows how I'm making money, sweet money, when I'm not on my computer. So he's like, Mom, how is it that you are selling your stuff? Like, what is it that you're doing to sell your stuff even when you're not there? Because I want to be able to sell my music and stuff. I was like, honey, we're going to build you a funnel. We're going to use BUILDERALL to build you a funnel. So we're going to actually get that ready for him so that he can, have a free giveaway, a tripwire, sell some of his music on the back end, and we're going to use BUILDERALL to do it. So the reason that I bring this up is because, we are in a time and age where college is not absolutely necessary. If you have a gift, a talent, something you love, you could literally use the tools that Builderall has and some creativity and go out there and live your passion, sell your, focus on your strengths and sell your stuff, you know what I mean? And so Builderall has helped us in so many ways. I've been able to help my son by helping him go to school. I'm helping my second son by helping him build his dream of selling his music through using our platform and our funnels. And I don't know what my third son's gonna do just yet, but I'm sure that Builderall will somehow help him get going as well. So
Good job. Awesome. Thank you, Barbie. It was a great testimonial.
Hopefully you enjoyed that, guys and gals. If you did, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. And also, if you want to learn more about the company that I'm aligned with and that pays 100% commission on the front end plus residual income for months to come, and you want to learn more about that, I'll have some links right below this video for you that you can check out. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, if you are on this digital marketing passive income journey, you're trying to get it together, you're still not sure how, leave me your comments right below this video and I will do my best to point you to the information that's going to help you, have your breakthrough online. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video.